a happy weekend to all of you, and I am Yogita. When I think of something special, it has to do something with seafood. And when I think of seafood, it's only supreme seafood that I can think of. I called Supreme, and there they were at my door with the freshest catch for the day. So what I have decided to make in my kitchen today: baked cheese prawn. Since this dish of mine needed the prawn to be with the shell, and as it is, I requested it this way. So I'll show you how to clean this. Take the whole one, get it in the water. You need to have a scissor. Just cut the head a little, the sharp portion, and all this, the legs. Then what I do is take a knife and give it a cut from the back side, the place where you actually take the vein. Take the sharp portion and just cut it off. And did you know that the head of the prawn has the maximum amount of flavor? So when I'm doing a dish like this, I avoid taking off the head. I just cut it open, clean it again, goes to the water again. This is how you clean it, right? This is how we want the prawns for the cheese bake, right? I'm going to rinse this one more time. That's my tray back on my table. Look at how they look. Don't they look absolutely gorgeous? Just a little of salt, and then we go to the pepper, a little of pepper, and next the lemon juice. Again, a very little bit. Just look at the drops. That's all. And meanwhile, my oven is getting preheated. This is olive oil. Just spread it because you don't want your prawns to be sticking. So here we go. Prawn number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Load it with cheese because they're going to all melt. I'm using mozzarella cheese. You could use the other ones. You don't have to bother about the cheese. Even if you have the sliced cheese at home, which is very common in our kitchen, go ahead, do it. I mean, you don't need any of the special ingredients for this. You just need to get your prawns from Supreme, use the cheese that you have, pepper, salt, and whatever herbs that you might need, and voila. Any herbs. And okay, if you also do not have fresh herbs at home, you could just use the Italian or the Mexican herbs. So anything, and there we go. A little of olive oil that you can drizzle. It will give it more shine, more texture. Absolutely awesome. So here we go to the oven. So here is the prawn. Okay, this can bake for 10 to 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so this goes to the oven, and we're going to bake this for, I've kept it for 15 minutes. So let's come back and check when it's done. Here is the cheese baked prawn. After it's baked, they look yummy. As I said, the prawn cooks faster and it has a very, very sweet taste. that cheese. So this is absolute divine. Look at the meat. It's fresh. Absolutely divine. Yummy. It's sweet. It's amazing. The aroma is perfect. It can be had as a starter or your side dish or as an evening snack. So when your children come from school and they just want the perfect snack, healthy snack with minimal spice. So enjoy your baked cheese prawn.